My battery died before I finished it, so I've charged it up a little bit and I'll finish. This video is gonna be quick and dirty, and it's not gonna be polished. And as I told you earlier, you're just gonna sit there and watch. It's been 389 days since my last video, which is a long time. And when I was posting that video in my head, I was telling myself, this is the year I'm gonna be consistent. Look at me now. It's a year later and I've barely put up anything. But I'm okay with that. It's been a really interesting 2019. I got a lot done. I got a lot of growth done. As much as I didn't post here, there was a lot that was happening in my simple life. But I'm back, and today I'm gonna I have a package that I have waited for 3 weeks to get, and I'm using the package to blackmail myself into making the video because I really want to get into the contents of this box. And I cornered myself and told myself I'm gonna make a video of me unboxing this, and then catch you up, tell you what I've been, where I've been, what I've done, and then what you expect from me moving on forward. All that good stuff, all that is happening in this video or whatever. Yeah, so the box. This is a 360 camera. One of the businesses that I run is I make content for businesses, and I'm really focusing on real estate photography because I find that is a market that is really viable for a photographer in Kenya. And also, I think there's a lot of value that I can bring to my customers as a content creator. So I figured I can invest in a 360 camera at least to push the boundary on the kind of content I can make available. Stills and video is one thing, but if you're able to give something more, why not? Why not try that and also differentiate yourself with other guys in the market? So, I had to ship this from. I think I bought it from Amazon. Not I think I bought it from Amazon. Shipped it to Kenya through Savo Store, and it's very frustrating having to wait 4 weeks to get it, but it's finally here. So let's get in it and let's see what that is. I'm not really going to get into the product because I'm seeing it for the first time right now, and also who has time to make a. There's so many product reviews videos. This is not even for the review. This is just for me to reach out to you and tell you, hey, I'm still here. I'm still making shit. And yeah, cool. Let's get into it.
School of hard knocks where I'm from, so when I get a drink, I go dumb. Got a lot of swag, been stored up, couldn't let it out, been caught up. What you talking about? I ain't it. Strut down the street, go so fits. Give my man a pound at the door before the whole club gon' get scorched. Thought it was just a dream, best I'd have never seen. Playing on the greatest team, just I, myself, and me. I got that new thing, new.
My unboxing game is probably very weak, and I'm not ashamed. It's not rocket science opening a box, but presenting the opening of a box, making that interesting, it's a skill, Bama. I really wanted to upload more last year because I think I not only get to practice my filmmaking skills and whatever, but I think YouTube can be a very good platform to connect with like-minded individuals, that sort of stuff. Also, you could reach a new audience, more customers for my business. But it should be fun. Like making videos should be fun, but I also kept feeling like it was taking okay, let me just look at this thing first. Fucking it's stable enough. This piece of plastic. We'll see. What was I saying? Yeah, so consistently making videos, because at the end of the day, I'm questioning what Okay, feels nice. I find myself questioning like what do I need to what do I want to tell you? Like that has been a very big question in my mind where I find myself uh going back and forth. I feel like I have something, I feel like I don't have something, because if I don't bring value to you, what's the point of me doing this? So I could use that as an excuse to say that's one of the reasons I didn't upload as often as I would have wanted or as much as I would have wanted. Because it's not like I didn't have opportunities to make content, because I did. I had so many, okay, not that many, but many. But like things just don't align themselves well. Maybe there was a period I didn't have a lens. Oh, I'm rambling, but it's okay. You're going to sit there and watch. I'm rambling. Anyway, so how do I open this guy? Okay, I think that's the direction. Is it coming out or not? It should. Let me go back this way. Looks kind of cute, very small, very. This should. Let's see what else is in the box. What else is in the box? Cables to connect. And documentation. So it's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Kind of nice. Stickers. Stickers. Quick start guide. What's in these boxes? The presentation is kind of nice. I like the presentation. I'm very enthusiastic about how products are packaged, and we'll probably do more content around that. If you're interested in that sort of stuff, subscribe or something. So these guys could have packaged more batteries in this, huh? It's really tiny battery. Okay. And cables for the computer. Yeah, USB cable. So, poof. I'll get into this later. Let me finish this conversation with you. Then upload this video and then. So, what are we looking forward to this year? This year we're gonna look forward to hopefully more consistent content. At the end of the day, hopefully more consistent content, which is and it's not just me going out in the field, which I liked that I noticed you like those kind of videos, but also I think I want to share this platform or non-platform, because essentially I have very small number of subscribers, not really a platform, but I want to share that with other young people that are trying to make their careers work, and they're taking paths that are not conventional, that they are trying different new things that are not in the job market today. And I want to give them an opportunity to share that with you, and hopefully you share that with people you know, and hopefully that gives them more business, more eyeballs for their products, more also gives them more fire to do what they're doing. Because I think we young people need to share that with one another. My battery died before I finished it, so I've charged it up a little bit and I'll finish. This video is gonna be quick and dirty, and it's not gonna be polished. And as I told you earlier, you're just gonna sit there and watch. I was telling you about what my plan for the year is. My plan for the year is try and make more consistent content. That was the first thing. And then secondly, share the stories of other young people that are trying to make their own paths in terms of career, in terms of work, in terms of purpose. I want to share those stories as well. And also just storytell. Find stuff that you would want to listen to. I would want to bore you about prices of products, all that stuff. I want to tell you stuff. I'm going to find stuff to tell you. You might like it, you might not, but I'm going to share it anyway. Because earlier I mentioned how finding what I want to share with you has been a challenge. I said, what if I shared whatever I find to have value to you? I share it, somebody might like it, somebody might not. which is the point, because the point is me outlet, you recipient. That doesn't make sense. I'm not making sense. But that's I think that's the point. That's the point. It's to have fun with this thing and just make more videos. It's good being back, and I'm most likely going to be consistent this time. I'm gonna ramble one week, one time, one. I'm gonna ramble once a week, and you're gonna listen. I'm gonna find something interesting to share. I'm gonna find whatever, and I'm gonna share it with you, and you're gonna like it. You better like it. You better. You better. Uh, and for that, I think I've done a very poor job of telling you how my year was. If you really are interested in what I was doing for the last 386 days, I could happily like sum it up in a short, like quick video. It's not so interesting, but for me it was interesting. I yeah, hiyo ni kazi kwako. Kama unadai, sema unadai hapo kwa comments, and I'll make something. Yeah. With that, we've done the unboxing of the Insta360 One X. If you're looking to have a property shot, just hit me on Instagram, Stanley J here, Facebook, Stanley J here. Just find me there. Tell me, hey, I have a house, I need it photographed. Come photograph, and I'll come photograph. So that's. I think I should make a different video of telling you what things I do and how I do it. And my arms are going all over, but that's your problem, not mine, because I'm doing what I'm feeling like. I'm rambling. This has gone on for maybe 4 minutes, or maybe the end video will be 10 minutes long or not. It's nice to be back. And thank you for staying around. I've grown, what I spent, like the last time I did, I'm still finding subscribers, so that I'm so grateful that you come find my old work and be like, yeah, rambling again, but that's all right. Not my problem. That's your problem. It's your time you're wasting. So you're not wasting your time. I have value. And with that, see you next time. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work, and you get back to whatever you were doing before. Yeah.